Hello and welcome yet again to this channel. So in today's video, I will be discussing and talking about the third question of IGNOU MEG03 British novel assignment question. But before starting with the video, let me remind you all that if you are new to this channel and you haven't subscribed yet, then you can do it by clicking on the subscribe button and also hitting the bell icon to get notified for the further updates of the videos. Now let's begin. So in question number 3 of the assignment, we have to talk about Joseph Conrad's Heart of Darkness novel. The question says, how many women characters are to be found in the Heart of Darkness? Would you consider Conrad to be a misogynist? So here in the very beginning of our answer, we will give a brief introduction about Joseph Conrad. That Joseph Conrad published his Heart of Darkness novel in 1902, and Joseph Conrad was a British-Polish writer who was born in Ukraine. We can give details related to Conrad's life, that how he was a professional sailor and he was at the same time he was also regarded as the greatest novelist in the early 20th century in the English literature, and he is also considered to be one of the most significant writer in the field of English literature. Perhaps he is also referred or considered as an early modernist writer, and also his narrative style or his style of narration and his anti-heroic characters are something that he has contributed in the field of English literature, and he has perhaps influenced many of the other writers and the authors during that time. While introducing Joseph Conrad, we can also mention about the works and the novels that he has composed and written throughout his lifetime. He has also written various stories, novels such as Almayer's Folly, which was published in 1895, and there is other novel Lord Jim, A Tale, and other works of Joseph Conrad includes Chance, Heart of Darkness. So these were some of his most significant works throughout his lifetime. Perhaps we know that Conrad was also a professional sailor in his earlier career. So his acquaintance with the sea is also very much evident and prominent even in his writings and even in his novels. Perhaps his Heart of Darkness is one of his most greatest works in the field of English literature, and which talks about Conrad's own journey as a sailor and his own journey as a professional sailor. Perhaps there is an autobiographical element that is present throughout the novel. Now, considering about the question that is asking us about the women characters, so here we have to talk about how many female characters are there in the novel. Then we have to comment on the position or the status of the women that has been presented by Joseph Conrad in his novel Heart of Darkness. And then later on we have to comment whether or not Conrad can be considered to be a misogynist writer in his Heart of Darkness or not. Perhaps because of the fact that how he has portrayed and depicted his female characters. So is this the way the presentation of the female characters has to be done? So such things we have to write in our answer. So quickly let's discuss that how many female characters are there. So there are 3 major female characters. One is Marlowe's aunt, other is Coutts African mistress, and lastly it is goods intended. So these are the three female characters or major female characters that are there in the novel. Apart from that, there is also a mention of two women who are knitting black wool. So they also have a very important or a significant role to play, despite the fact they are minor characters or minor female characters, but they are important in the sense of a symbolic meaning. The black wool symbolizes the darkness. So this is important from the symbolic point of view. Perhaps our focus in the answer will be to describe the position of the major female characters, that is Marlowe's aunt, Kud's African mistress, and Kud's intended, who is his fiancée. So in this question, we also have to comment on the issue of gender, patriarchy, and the position of women that has been given or portrayed by Conrad in his novel. So that becomes a very important question, because the portrayal of the women are actually extreme stereotypes, and that is related with all the female characters, which is illustrating the themes of darkness, brutality, domination in the novel. So why this portrayal of women is done the way it is actually the question that we have to elaborate on in the answer. We also have to comment about the three major female characters. So firstly, it is Marlowe's aunt, who is described as, I quote, dear and enthusiastic soul, ready to do anything for Marlowe, unquote. So this is the line that Marlowe uses to describe his aunt. So Marlowe's aunt is a very important female character that we readers witness in Joseph Conrad's novel Heart of Darkness. Perhaps she is the one who helps Marlowe to secure a job in the company, and afterwards he undertakes the journey to the Congo basin. Apart from Marlowe's aunt, it is Kud's mistress and Kud's intended who are important female characters. So Kud's African mistress has been described as, I quote, savage and superb. So this is the way that Charles Marlowe is actually describing Kud's African mistress, and she has been contrasted with Kud's intended, who is a naive kind of a woman who does not know anything or any truths or reality about Kuds. So these are the two female characters that has to be contrasted in the novel, because the representation of all these three female characters are very different in the novel, and perhaps the readers get or know about the status of women through the portrayal of women by Marlowe. So how Marlowe is actually describing and depicting the position of women in the novel is actually one of the major points that has to be covered in the answer. Also, we can mention few lines that has been stated by Marlowe, who is the narrator as well as the character in the novel. I quote, "It is queer how out of touch with the truth women are. They live in the world of their own, and there had never been anything like it and never can be," unquote. So such is the representation, or such are the words that has been used by Marlowe to portray the female characters, that they do not know, or they do not know how to deal with the truth, and they just remain out of touch with the reality, and they just live in the beautiful world of their own. Meaning, that means they do not know about the brutalities, the cruelties, and the reality of the world. They just live in the beautiful world of their own. So through Marlowe, or through his own perspective, women are treated as fanciful figures. And perhaps when we give about the introduction and when we elaborate about the three major female characters, our answer will be justified that how the theme of patriarchy, domination is very important and plays a very important role in the novel. So in the answer, we have to talk about Marlowe's aunt, who is actually a relative of Marlowe, who helps him or assists him to secure a job in the company. We can elaborate on this character because Marlowe's aunt is actually an important character. After that, we can move on to Kud's African mistress. So she is also is a very important and a very powerful character in the novel because she has been presented in a way which is very distinct or different from Kud's intended. So these are the two female characters that we have to contrast with each other because their personalities, their traits, their portrayals have been depicted in a very distinct manner. Perhaps Kud's African mistress has been objectified. The words that has been used by Marlowe to describe Kud's African mistress actually comments about the objectification of the women. She has been described as savage, superb, black, magnificent. So such are the words that he has used for Kud's African mistress. Perhaps he meets this particular character when he goes to the African continent to meet Kuds. So she is contrasted with Kud's intended, who is a very different character altogether. She is naive, she is young, mature, perhaps very loyal and a decent kind of a woman, and she is the one who does not know anything. That means she is unaware about the brutal realities about Kuds. So she can be contrasted with Kud's African mistress. Perhaps these are the two female characters who also symbolize the binaries of light and darkness. So Kud's African mistress is symbolic of darkness, whereas Kud's intended or Kud's fiance, who is Kud's intended, is actually symbolic of the light in the novel. Perhaps because we know that darkness is also a very, very important symbol and theme in the whole novel, that is Heart of Darkness, because the whole novel, throughout the novel, the theme of darkness is very prevalent in the characters as well as in the plot of the novel. Talking about Kud's intended, so she is very unlike Kud's African mistress because she is presented as a very ideal kind of a woman who is very loyal, faithful, good-hearted, naive, whereas Kud's intended has been presented a female with raw nature. So such are the terms which you can use even in your answer to compare and contrast these female characters. After covering these three major female characters, you may also elaborate few lines about the two women who are knitting black wool and their symbolic meaning, that why they are mentioned and why they are important in the novel, and especially catering to the theme of darkness in the novel. Now, commenting on the last segment of the question, that is asking about whether Conrad can be considered as a misogynist writer or not, this is the way we can justify our answer, that how the female representation has been done in the novel adds to the theme of patriarchy, domination and control. That how we can mention this point, that none of the female characters in the novel has been given names. If we may quote that all the female characters, be it Marlowe's aunt, Kud's African mistress or Kud's intended, they haven't been given individual names. So what about their identity? What about their self-identity as a woman? So this part is something which can be added in this segment, that how the male characters are treated as superiors, and they are the ones who are dominant or play a dominant role in the novel, whereas female characters, they haven't been given any names and they are inferior as compared to the male characters. Several of the feminist critics and writers have also raised their voice and questioned Conrad regarding this aspect, that why there is omission of names of female characters. So there have been many criticisms that has been commented and that has been criticized in Marlowe's Heart of Darkness regarding his misogynistic attitude towards the portrayal of female characters in the novel, because none of the female characters is really strong or powerful as compared to the male characters. So there is a sense of inferiority that all the female characters witness in the novel. So especially we can comment on the position and the status, that how they are treated as inferiors, how they are extremes, they are the characters who can be easily controlled and dominated, and how they are presented as the characters who remain out of touch with the reality. That means their presence, their significance is really little when we compare with the male characters or male figures. Perhaps when we talk about or contrast the female characters with the male characters, we see that Marlowe and Kurtz have a really important role to play in the novel, and they are the characters who have been depicted really strong and powerful by Conrad. But Conrad has not depicted any of his female characters with such strength and power. Also, we can elaborate our answer that how there is a male biased view of women and their roles in the society. Perhaps we can also comment on the age in which Conrad was actually writing, and what was the status and the position of women during that time and age, and how there is a reflection of these female characters according to the time and age in the female narrative and the female representation. Lastly, it is necessary to conclude our answer, in which we will give an elaborative conclusion wherein we will comment about the portrayal and the representation of female characters in Joseph Conrad's Heart of Darkness. We may also write our own views, our own viewpoints, that how do we feel about the female characters or their representation in the novel. So this concludes our today's video. If you like it, do press the like button, share, comment, and do not miss to subscribe to this channel. Also, stay connected and stay tuned for more such videos.